In this video, I'll show you how to change the color of the store owner login link on the password protected page in Shopify Dawn theme. And for this example, I change the color of the text and the link to red. So at first, let's log into Shopify admin account, then select online store. Now look for Dawn theme and then select add a theme. Once the editor loads at the top, click on homepage, then select password. On the left side of the screen, click on the password footer, and then expand the custom CSS section. We'll be adding the custom CSS rule right in here, but first let me go back to my website and get the class selector for the text. Let me right click on it, then select inspect. Okay, let's take a look. To change the color of the IU the store owner text, we'll select the following class. It's password _footer-login. And to change the color of the link, we'll just target the A tag right here. Now let's go back to the editor. Let's add the following rule. Type period password _footer-login. Now open left and right curly braces. Place the cursor in between, then press enter. On the next line, type color, colon. Then go to Google and type color picker in the search. Let me get the hex code for the red color. Let's pick this one. Then copy the hex code, including the hashtag. Let's go back to the editor. Let's paste it right here. And then add the semicolon in the end. As you can see in the preview, the text was changed to red color. Now let's apply the same change to the link. For that, copy the current rule, add some space underneath, and paste it right here. Now after a login, add space, followed by an A. Once you add this rule at the top right corner, click on save. Then let's go back to the website. Let's try refreshing the password page. And as you can see, the text and the link are now in red color. So for now, that's all for this video. I hope you found it useful. If more Shopify tutorials, please comment my channel. Thank you.